Hello everyone, today we will discuss about Logo. Logo is a very simple computer language which was developed for kids, for them to understand the importance of logical sequence. Logo stands for Logic Oriented, Graphic Oriented Language. The Logo has two parts, the commander part and the screen part. We type the Logo commands in the commander part, and within the Logo screen you will see a turtle. Now this turtle draws a specific structure depending on the commands that we put in the commander. We can control the turtle in the Logo screen with the help of the commands that we put in the commander. Now let us look into some of the common Logo commands. Feel free to pause the video and go through all the commands. So here are some of the commands and their abbreviations. If you type both the command and the abbreviation, it will work in the Logo. You will also see the examples of how to use these commands. Now let us go through the commands very quickly. So the commands are forward, back, right, left, home, clean, clear screen, hide turtle, show turtle, pan up, pan down, clear text, circle, pattern. So the forward command tells the turtle to move forward for a certain number of times. The back will tell the turtle to come back. The right will tell the turtle to turn right for a number of degrees specified. Left will tell the turtle to turn left for a number of degrees specified, and so on. And we will go through all these commands in the Logo. So let's use all these commands in the Logo to see how it works. But before that, let's see how to set the size of the line that the turtle draws, and also how to set the background color of the Logo screen. So for that we need to go to the set option. Then we need to select pen size. Here we will find the different sizes of the line that the turtle will draw. So select a suitable size. Press OK. Also, if you want to change the background color, you can go to the set option, select screen color, and you can select any color. If you want to change the font size of the commands that we type in the commander, we can go to set, select commander font, select the desired size. OK. Now let us go to the commands. First, the forward command. FD100. Here this command is telling the turtle to go forward by 100 pixels, to go in the direction that the turtle is facing right now. This is the face of the turtle and it is facing upward. So if I press on the execute button or if I press enter, we can see that the turtle from its initial position has moved forward by 100 pixels. Now if we want the turtle to move to the right or to turn to the right, we will use the command RT space 90. 90 is the degree by which the turtle will turn. Press enter and you can see that the turtle has turned 90 degree to the right. Now again let us use FD100 and you will see that the turtle has turned 90 degree and has moved forward again by 100 pixels. If you want the turtle to move to the left, then type LT 90 and you will see that the turtle has now turned towards the left by 90 degrees. Now again type FD100, press enter and you can see that the turtle moved forward by 100 pixels. Now if we want the turtle to come back or to move backwards, then we will use the command BK, and if you type 200, then you will see that the turtle has traveled backwards by 200 pixels. Now if I want to clear the screen, then I can use the command CS, and you can see that the turtle has now come back to his initial position, and whatever the structure it has drawn because of the commands that I have used earlier, all have been erased. Now let us see the home command. So whenever we will type the home command will bring the turtle back to his initial position, but it will draw a line along the way from that position to its initial position. Press enter and you can see that the turtle has come from this point to this point. Now if I press CS, then you can see that the diagram has been erased. And if you use the command CT, which is called clear text, we can see here the history of all the commands that we have used. But if we use CT, you will see that all the history has been erased. Now let us see how to hide the turtle, how to show the turtle. So the command to hide the turtle is HT. And you can see that the turtle is hidden. Now you can no longer see the turtle. If I give a command FT100, you will see the turtle moves, but you can't see the turtle. And now if I type the command ST, that is show turtle, you can see that we can now see the turtle. Now let us see the pen down, pen up and pen erase command. The pen up command lets me move the turtle without drawing any line in the logo screen. So if I type the command pen up and then press enter, now if I try to move the turtle by giving the command FD100, you can see that the turtle will move forward, but it will not draw any line. But if I want the turtle to start drawing the line again, then I will use the command pen down. And then if I try to move the turtle forward, we can see that the turtle has now started drawing a line along the way it moves. Now pen eraser command. So pen erase or PE is the command that now tells the turtle to erase all the lines that it finds on its way. And you can see it has now started erasing the lines that it is finding on its way. And you can see that now the turtle will move forward, but it will not draw anything. Instead, if it finds any line, it will simply erase those lines. But what if I want to omit this option? What if I want the turtle to stop erasing the lines but start drawing? Then I will use the command pen pin, or I can also type PPT. And now if I move the turtle, you can see that now it starts drawing the lines again. Now if I want to print a message in logo, then I can use the command print, or I can also use PR. Then if I type the message after giving double quotation, but if I want to display a message in the MS logo screen, then I will use the command label. Then the same procedure after double quotation, the message that I want to display in the MSW logo screen. Now we can also perform arithmetic operations in logo. Arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In order to display the result of those arithmetic operations, we need to use the command print. For example, then if I press enter, you will see that the logo displays the result of the addition. Now, the result will not be shown in the MSW logo screen, but it will be shown in the commander. I will type the command in the commander and the result will also be shown in the commander. So in order to perform those arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we need to use the print command. So you have seen one example of an addition. Let us see one example of multiplication, division, and one example of subtraction. So in this way, we can perform arithmetic operations in MS logo. We can also use arithmetic operators in other commands like forward, backward. So let us see an example. This FD50 plus 50 will take the turtle 100 pixels forward. That means instead of writing FD100, we can also write 50 plus 50. It will work for the forward command. It will also work for any other command. So this is how we can use the arithmetic operators in logo. Now we can also perform looping in logo. Looping means we can tell the logo to perform certain commands again and again for a certain amount of time. In order to achieve that, we need the primitive repeat. Let us see an example. Here, the number 8 after repeat means I want the logo to repeat the commands 8 times, and the commands will be written inside the third brackets. And you can see that the turtle creates this structure. As you can see here, these commands were repeated 8 times in order to achieve the structure that we can see now. We can also draw regular polygons with the help of the repeat primitive. What is a polygon? A figure closed from all sides is called polygon. For example, triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon, pentagon, hexagon and so on is a polygon. Now let us see how to draw a polygon with the help of the repeat primitive. First let us start with the normal one, triangle. So the command goes as follows. And you can see that the triangle has formed. So for triangle, we want it to repeat 3 times. We want the turtle to move forward 100 and we want the turtle to turn its face to the right, the angle 360 divided by 3. So remember, the degree of turn is equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. This means degree of turn in this case in a triangle is 360 divided by 3 because the triangle has 3 sides. And the number of times that we will repeat is same as the number of sides of the polygon. So as the triangle has 3 sides, so we will also repeat it 3 times. So let us see an example for square. Square has 4 sides, so we will repeat 4 times, then tap every 100, and we will also turn the turtle by the degree 360 divided by the number of sides, and the number of sides is 4. And you can see that a square has formed. Hence you can repeat for more number of times for a polygon who has more sides. Like for a pentagon, you will repeat it 5 times, and you will also tell the turtle to turn right by the degree 360 divided by 5 because the pentagon has 5 sides. Then for a hexagon, repeat 6 and turn the turtle 360 by 6 because the hexagon has 6 sides. Thank you, everyone.